You guys, this is a secret that I have only shared with people in my paid community. So today I was so excited, I decided to share this particular information. You guys, ChatGPT that you are sleeping on can change your YouTube channel like entirely. From 0 subscribers to the monetization stage, ChatGPT helped me to monetize my channel within 3 months. And today I want to spill out the secret. The only thing is, will you be patient enough to watch this particular video to the end? Because by the time you are done watching it to the end, your channel will not remain the same. The challenge people have is, it's not about creating YouTube channels, faceless channels, or the one they show their face. The challenge is how to grow it to the monetization stage. And that is why I'm here to solve that. Now, I'm not only going to show you what ChatGPT can do, I'm going to teach you how you can come up with prompting ChatGPT to do whatever task that you want it to do for your channel. ChatGPT can give you views, ChatGPT can give you subscribers, ChatGPT can give you direction when it comes to the perfect niche to choose. And that is what we are going to do today. We are taking it one after the other. So do yourself a favor to stay to the end of this video, because you're gonna come back and tell me, Techmom, thank you so much for this particular video. Now, without wasting your time, if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur teaching you how to make money with AI, especially in content creation. So why not go ahead and smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let me show you how. First, we are going to deal with prompts that you need for a successful channel, how to use ChatGPT to recreate a thumbnail that you see somewhere without copying and pasting like verbatim. No, you guys know that what makes you to be successful here on YouTube is what we call strategy. It's not the number of videos that you post, because I heard some people say, oh, you have to post some number of times and then before YouTube will now recognize your video. That's a fantastic lie. I have been into this YouTube business for about 3 years now, and I don't think that I'm a baby when it comes to this YouTube stuff. I have learned, relearn so many things about YouTube. What makes you to succeed here on YouTube is strategy, and that is not even a new strategy. It is a strategy that people have been using, that have been making their own successful. That's what I am teaching you, how you can use ChatGPT to crack the strategy and apply it to your channel and see the magic happens. My channel got monetized under 3 months of posting video. I mean my faceless channel. And this is what I did. And even if I'm to start a new channel again, this is exactly what I will also do. Now, I've listed out all the prompts I'm going to use for this particular hack or tricks. So what you're gonna do, if you want to access the prompts, just go to my WhatsApp channel or my Telegram channel, go and copy it. I don't sell it. Yeah, it is for free. You can use it throughout the lifetime that you'll be on YouTube. I'm just here to save you and make you grow your channel, okay? Now, here is the prompt. ChatGPT, you are going to copy this. Analyze my strengths when you want to start your channel. Please don't be like me in 2021 that just woke up like this and said, oh, I want to do YouTube. I enter YouTube. I created my channel without knowing anything about YouTube, okay? The best way to start is just copy the first prompt and paste it on ChatGPT. Just this way. You are telling ChatGPT, please analyze my strengths, experience, interests, suggest 5 YouTube niches, profitable YouTube niches that I can start as a faceless curator. Now, if you want to give ChatGPT idea of your background, what you like, what you do, how you feel, and all that, that's pretty fine. Under this particular prompt, that's where you will write it and tell ChatGPT to do that way, okay? Just say, ChatGPT, I love this, I do this, I do that. As soon as you are done, because my own ChatGPT is personalized, ChatGPT has known me with the whole information I do give ChatGPT. So it's as if he has my data. If you have been prompting ChatGPT, all the time, you will see that it will give you exactly who you are and what you can do. So I'm going to hit generate. ChatGPT is going to give me that. And lest I forget, I will also teach you how you can recreate a video you see somewhere. Recreating, not copying. When people say, I copied this particular channel, what they meant is they recreated that channel, does similar to what that channel does, because if the channel is succeeding, automatically there is high tendency, like 70% chances that you are going to succeed when you enter into that particular niche. This is what many people don't know. Yeah. So you're going to see what ChatGPT brought out based on my own experience and level and everything, with the whole discussion I have with ChatGPT and all that. It listed out different niches I can go into. Remember, I said profitable, and you can see it. He said I can go into teaching about AI. That's what I'm doing, right? Without showing my face. Now, it's also I can go into digital trainings, storytelling talents. I have it and all that. You see it based on my own background, and this is pretty fine. Now, when you have gotten your niche, ChatGPT has given you, this is what you have to do, and you look at it, you love it, pretty fine. Just go into it. Better still, make research about those people doing it. How many percent are succeeding? And if higher number of people are succeeding, you are going to succeed in that particular niche. I don't want this video to be long. Now, the next one is the next prompt, which is give me 30 YouTube video ideas based on the niche you recommended. ChatGPT is going to give you. Now, this is the trick. When ChatGPT gives you the ideas, if you copy it and paste on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gives you the ideas, please, this is what you should do. Make sure you search those ideas on YouTube. Are they trending? Are people getting views with it? If they're not getting views, come back to ChatGPT. In fact, make ChatGPT your friend. Come back to it and tell ChatGPT, even you can even screenshot it and send to ChatGPT. These people are having low views based on this particular idea you are giving me. Please, can you give me a better idea? And this is how I have been succeeding on my own channel. Yeah, I will see video that does well on my own niche. I'll copy that video. What I do is, I don't use ChatGPT this time around. This is what I do. I'll go to Gemini. When I see a viral idea that is going viral, I'll just go to Gemini this way. First of all, I will copy the video link from YouTube or from TikTok or from Facebook. Anywhere I see viral content in my niche, I will copy it, because that's the best way and the fastest way to grow on this platform. Nobody knows you, so you need to succeed by all means. So I'm going to copy a viral content from YouTube just this way. For instance, this particular video that did 258k views, I'm going to copy it just like this. Click on copy and head over to Gemini. Why I am using Gemini, it is because Gemini is Google products and Google is the owner of YouTube. So they do what we call search. Google have to crawl on YouTube and get exactly what the video said, like even word to word, what the person said. You don't even need to watch the video. Google will give you summary. Gemini will give you summary of the video. Yeah. So I'm going to paste it here and tell Gemini, please analyze this video. Analyze this video. You will see Gemini is going to even bring out the video, but ChatGPT cannot do this particular one. We are still coming back to ChatGPT because ChatGPT does the most job. Yeah. Now Gemini has started telling me the video title is "This Hidden AI Channel Got 30 million views in 90 days" by the channel Danny Y. Is a tutorial that analyzes successful AI-driven YouTube channel and provides, even if you want it to bring out the scripts in that video, it will bring it out and you tell it to rewrite it for you. That's the perfect way. And you guys, you might be asking, what if you do this? We then monetize it. The way you monetize it, because you are not copying the person's script directly. No. Gemini is not giving you word to word, like back to back, everything. No. You're going to rewrite it and come up with your own added knowledge or added input as well. Yeah, so you can see Google have already analyzed it. Yeah, Gemini have analyzed the video for me, so I can just tell Gemini, I want to recreate something like this. Can you give me another version of this particular video? Now Gemini is going to give me a rough work. So after Gemini provided it for me, I'm going to copy it and go back to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, please, I did a script that taught this, that did this, please refine. And you are trying to twist a lot of things, so people will not say, you just copied this particular person verbatim and all that. Do you understand me? And trust me, when you recreate it, because of the pattern, you are using the same suspense, everything is the same, like the same pattern, the video will go viral. So this is the secret. I think I'm done with this one. So when you are done, just copy it and go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to refine it for you. ChatGPT will refine it. And this is perfect for those who are into history videos, who are into any form of storytelling videos, teaching videos, educational videos, and all that. Motivational videos. It is perfect for you guys, because normally most of these channels, they have their viral videos. So go and look at them and recreate them. Tell me thank you in the comment section. Yeah, so let's move further. Now the next prompt is ChatGPT write maybe 10 minutes script, 1 minute script with a strong hook, simple English, and high retention. Copy it when you want to write a script. Now that you have gotten the script from ChatGPT, it has refined it and everything, you now copy the whole script and then copy these thought prompts and tell ChatGPT, please write 20 minutes or 10 chapters or 7 chapters of a script with a strong hook. Please, you are free to take out or add some things in the prompt, okay? Just to refine it. It's perfect. Now the next one, the next magneting prompt that you need. Give me 10 viral thumbnail concepts for this particular title. Please don't go with one thumbnail. Try to test different thumbnails and see the one that gives you what you want, okay? Now, I want to show you something. Someone asked me in my comment section, please, how do I generate the thumbnail for Bible prayer channels? I'm going to show you. It is very simple when you are using AI to do it. If you want, you can design from scratch, but if you don't want, ChatGPT can generate it for you. Let's go. I'm going to use this particular channel and do illustration, and don't ask me who is the owner of the channel. I'm going to show you how these thumbnails are being generated. So I'm going to screenshot it just this way. I'm going to crop parts that I don't want. Here is it. So because I want to generate exactly this one, I'm just going to crop it this way, and that's perfect. I'm going to tell ChatGPT, you're going to tell ChatGPT, give me the full details of this particular thumbnail. I want to recreate exactly something like this. And trust me, ChatGPT is going to give you the accurate prompts for this particular thumbnail. Now, this is where your own input comes in. You have your image, the image in your video, you have it already. You're not going to probably use somebody's own because your own is different. Okay, you are going to screenshot that your own and also send to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT, use this particular image, my own image, and recreate something like this. ChatGPT is going to do it. Just ask ChatGPT the way you discuss with your fellow human. That's how you learn how to prompt ChatGPT. Yes. And when you are done, you tell ChatGPT, generate the prompts, generate the thumbnail. ChatGPT will go straight and generate the image for you. Now, when you generate it, it might not have that thumbnail size. And this is what I do. I'll take it to Canva, do some finishing touches using the thumbnail Canva, the thumbnail thumbnail ratio. I use that, or else I will not even go to Canva and edit it. What I will do is I'll just use my YouTube studio app just this way and add the thumbnail. Okay, I've just used it and add the thumbnail. It will not complain about size, and that's perfectly pretty. So we are going to go to the next stage because I don't want this video to be too long. Now that you know how to come up with your thumbnail, so you that is asking me how do you come up with the thumbnail, screenshot it, take it to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you the exact thumbnail. Now, another prompt is recommend the best free AI tools for editing thumbnails, voiceover. That's when maybe you need extra other tools, you can use this. Now, for you to stay consistent, I don't even advise you posting every single day because YouTube is very hard, especially if you are posting on long form videos. You can decide to be posting once a week, 2 times in a week. That's pretty fine. So you are going to tell ChatGPT to give you maybe 6 content ideas or posting schedule with the titles, description, and task. With it, you don't need to struggle again. So what you need to do is basically every month, bring out one day and draft out the content for the month. Yeah, you are good to go. So what do you tell me? Just tell me thank you.
Tell me thank you. Yeah, this is how I use ChatGPT to succeed on this YouTube that me and you is doing. You guys, I wish every one of you success. I remain your favorite tech mom. See you guys in my next video. Bye.